Two white girl with a black skin man, eh? Voila! This is ginger for medicine. Here, and this flower coming out on side. And we use this when we work hard in our plantation, far away from the river. Got a sweat, we want to cool us, right? And this is only the thing we can use it. Use this, you can heat your head, more water in it, you heat all your clothes, and you get wet. See? Very nice and cool. Put the weight on it, press it, then you move down. There, give me a hand and jump over here. Up, voila! Another one, yeah! Arriba, Andre, yeah! Okay, slow coach. I'm waiting for you.
That's okay. Thank you so much.
Use the real Fiji time. Okay, Bula! Up! Ilaka! You can use this. We call jungle tomatoes. This one you can open it. Open it here. Yeah, with juice. The seeds inside.
It's good. Really sweet, yeah, it is. Oops, lekker.
Natural.
Lots of vitamins.
And waterfall up there. You're gonna climb up there and you stand quarter of that waterfall at the hole inside. Yeah. Alright.